We made it to day one.
Hello.
We're on the bus for Breisach. And so this is inside the bus, and there is our
Why don't you like that?
It is a raw morning. And it is a raw, cloudy morning, but it doesn't matter. We have umbrellas, we have raincoats.
Stairs and no more. Not stairs.
It's just stairs.
So he came up with the idea to straighten the Rhine, but he needed it okay from the Uniworld. If the slower one just come up in here, see, it's easier. That's why we're planning on it. You can see the Rhine. Here is where we are
Still in
now.
Germany after they went through the border.
This is where we are going. And he wanted to straighten the Rhine. He did. He stopped.
Next time the bus takes us up here, we walk down.
Archway. Yeah, like black and totally striped. These are from really, yes, I can bring my truck or lorry through it, but then I got stopped. Oh, so the fire brigade has to come, or a farmer with his tractor to pull it out. Anyway, we are going back. So we got in the hands of the Austrian. And he was, as I said, a gambler, ladies' man, no money. What do? So he has stayed right away to the Duke of Burgundy. Why not? And the Duke of Burgundy is not just around the corner. So he needed a bailiff coming here, and the name of the bailiff was Peter van Hagenbach. He came from a noble but poor family in the Alsace. These are 600 legionnaires. To look after Breisach. You have a better view when we are up on the hills. No. Then we go a little bit in this torture tower. Which hand do you need to sign? Right, left? Because you leave that out. Wow. Until you say yes. So he came here to make his own fortune. And after that, people got grumpy, of course. I would be grumpy as well. And then he came up with a very nasty idea. As I said, we were always being full of soldiers. And people were allowed, I think the cars.
Great, I just took a picture of my pocket. Just move it.
There's a car. So anyway, and at the end of the trial, they sent him to death, to be beheaded. Morgen. And but people, they celebrated it. They had invented Breisach, but many years later, they got their wealth by behind the forest. And he came up here. He made the street 3 straight before crossing it, and then the houses got built. And he said we need a water tower or a well, and this is the tower you can see in the back. This tower, 3 to 4 people could walk at the same time in this wheel to bring up the buckets with water. And then please in a system. Just in front of the door gate. It was a meteorite falling just in front of the door gate. It was thought as a sign of God that he didn't like the church anymore. So what to do with the old church? Oh, just put it out and build a new one. That's what they did. They started in the year 1180 and they finished it in a romantic Gothic way in 1494. Inside you will see 3 wonderful items. Here at the back, it's the last production. It's the last work of Martin Schongauer, and this is a monastery
Sounds like
garden.
a sunset.
Oh, wonderful. Has really quick peek in there. It's so cool. It's a friendship circle, and they're rebuilding the monastery.
Oh wow, look at the roses.
Smell it?
Oh yes.
So